I don't need to introduce myself anymore. My name is, but for sake of the new people just joining us, okay, let me just. My name is Raph. I am the CEO and founder of Rare Concept. That is my logo flying by the side of this video there. So, in this module, I'm going to be showing you the app I use to record this amazing professional voiceover that sounds as if I make use of I make use of costly mic for my videos. You will see the bass coming out. You will be hearing all the tones in my mouth, and the voice will be fine-tuned. I make use of the app they call Forge 2 app. So I don't want this video to be very long. I don't want it to be 2 seconds. So you will go to your Google Play Store. You type in Forge 2 app. Forge. So Forge 2. Okay. This is the Forge 2 app. So the one I sent to you in the group during that class was not the premium. This is the premium. The Forge 2 is the premium. So try and let me search the real Forge. Okay, the Forge app. Okay, this was the one I sent to you in the group. I think it's this first one. Yes, that was the first one I sent. Yes, it's the first one. I've already upgraded to the premium version. So I'm no longer using this one again. That's why it's showing in store. This one will not, the normal Forge will not allow you to record more than 3 minutes 3 minute voice record. But when you go for the premium Forge 2, when you go for the premium, you will be able to make use of it. So it's Forge 2 app. Forge 2. I see it install. So let me open. What is showing install? I won't install anything. It's cancel. So let me show you the icon. This is a, don't know what to see it. The Forge app. This is it. This one. So you will click open, and so you will install it. Forge. Okay, that's the name. See the name. Go to your Google Play Store and look for the name, and then download it. The Forge. See the name here. So that is the name. Fort. Let's go to our Google Play Store. See. Why is this thing showing in store? Is it because I bought it? Maybe it is, this is the app. So this is surely the app. Maybe it's because you first of all install this. Once you install it, then it will now, when you upgrade to the premium, this will be uninstalled, and they will now install the premium on your phone. So the premium is not on Google Play Store. This is the app. Yes, see it. It's the same thing with this is the app, but this is the one without premium. So once you install this one, you will now upgrade to the premium version. Then them themselves will install the premium version on your phone. So you will lose it if you uninstall the premium version. So don't make that mistake. So let's go to the Forge 2 app. If you like, I recorded the voiceover already, the voiceover of this art I did. So let me play you here. You are seeing how professional it is. See,
blow higher in video editing. Video
you see how it's sounding in the ear.
lucrative skill, and the most content people want to consume nowadays is the video content. Video creation for brands.
So you are seeing how I added life into the record I'm doing. You are seeing the energy. This is the raw. This thing. I've not even edited anything from this. This was how I recorded it here. So let me show you how to use the Forge 2 app. So once you are done, you will And when you're on the app and want to record from the beginning, you click on this icon. You see, so you are seeing it, Redforge 2 Pro. See it, Pro version 1. This thing. So you first of all install that Redforge, the normal one, then you upgrade to the premium. It's not cost, it's 1,000 up to 1,640, a lifetime purchase. So no talk say property hold you, try and install, get the premium, else you cannot record up to 35, you can record up to 25 seconds voiceover using that the normal Redforge. So you will click on this place if you want to record your voiceover. This place, you click on it. Can't record now because they are telling me I'm trying to record one thing. So there's no record I can do here. So you will now let me let me try and record something so that you see. So once it brings you to this interface, see here is for the pause, and this is the pause and the play, and this is the save button. So let me say I want to record something now. I'm sorry, I've saved this. Let me delete. So when you once you want, sorry, this is the that is the pause and the play. This is the pause and the play. Then here is the save. So let me record something now so that you hear. You won't hear me, but I will record and play it for you to see. So this is it. I've recorded what I want to record. So let me, after you have done recording and you press this pause button, you will now come to this point and click here to save. Don't do that mistake. Save. You will now click on it. You are seeing your delete button. You are seeing this your pencil here. So you will now click on the pencil. Ensure you save your voiceover, you save it so that you will remember once you are searching it to add it to your videos you have downloaded from Render Forest, Lumen 5, Pixabay or Pencils.com, or any other video you want to add to the CapCut. You name it so that once you want to look for it to be easy for you. So I'll check it. I'll say for a voiceover for my ads my ads one. Okay, that is okay. I've saved it. So now let me play what I said.
To do this thing. Hi, welcome. My name is Raph. I am the founder and CEO of Rare Concept. You are amazing and special. It is nice meeting you.
Hope you are seeing how I'm saying it, and there's no pause.
Hi,
If there's no
welcome.
pause,
My
there's
name
no
is
pause.
Raph. I am the founder and CEO of Rare Concept. You are amazing and special. It is nice meeting you.
Okay, let me show you the wrong way to um um okay, I'm going to show you. Okay, so I'll show you the practical guide on how to record. Although I'm just doing the raw record, if I want to record, there's something I normally do if I want to record so that my voice will be deep and anything I say will be heard and will bounce back. So just know how to use the Redford tool. This is the work of this model. So I'll show you how to use the Redford 2 app. So in the next model, I'm going to be showing you practical explanation on how to edit, on how to record professional voiceovers with your smartphone. But before I go, there is something I want to say. If you want to record your voiceovers, don't let me record one to show you. Listen to this one again.
Hi, welcome. My name is Raph. I am the founder and CEO of Rare Concept. You are amazing and special. It is nice meeting you.
Okay, as you're hearing my voice, you're not hearing anything like welcome. My name is Raphael Oche. I am the founder and see you are not hearing any break there, and I'm not too fast and I'm not too slow, and there is life in what I'm saying. So if you want to record the voiceover, make sure there is life and there is energy. It is how you say, it is how you introduce yourself. They are not seeing you, so it is a voice that they are listening to. So the voice should be able to move them, to make them concentrate on what you are showing and the video you are and what you are trying to explain in the video you are playing. So for this app, try and record voiceover, send to the group so that I can just correct you on where it is necessary. But before you do that, watch the other model to see how the practical explanation on how to record voiceover. I'm going to video myself to show you how I do my video, my voiceovers, so that we use the same tactics. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on in the other model.